How's it going, everybody? I'm Daniel, you're watching Dan About Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to restore or format your iPhone. And the best part, you don't even need a computer. So, restoring or formatting means deleting all of the iPhone's information, wiping all of its data, which means your iPhone will look brand new, as if it's open out of the box. So you absolutely delete everything. So, this process is especially important if you are in one of two options. Number one, you're selling your iPhone. You're selling to somebody, you're giving it away to a family member or something like that. You're not going to use it anymore and you want to give this phone blank to somebody else or sell it blank, okay? So they don't have access to any of your information. Option number two, your iPhone is getting pretty slow and you want to make it fast again. I mean, that's completely normal because over time, these devices accumulate, they store a lot of data that you just can't delete normally. So by doing this, you remove everything, you wipe all of its data, and it gets much faster, almost like brand new when you open it up from the box the first day. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so if you are restoring your iPhone because you're gonna sell it, you're probably gonna want all your information back, like apps and everything, exactly the way it used to be when you get your new iPhone, right? So in order to get that, you're gonna need a backup. Okay, so it's important to go to Settings, then Apple ID at the top, then iCloud, then scroll all the way down to iCloud Backup. At iCloud Backup, you can perform a backup now or see if you have a previous one. I don't have a previous one on this iPhone, but it doesn't matter. But if you are restoring to make your iPhone faster, you don't want to perform a backup and recover all of that information because you are in fact going to recover all of the data that is making your iPhone slow. But it doesn't mean you're going to lose absolutely everything. So I'm going to show you how you can just back up key information from the important apps. So go to Settings, then go again to Apple ID, and then to iCloud. And here you can see apps using iCloud. So we are just going to back up the information within these apps, which are the Apple native apps, like calendars, reminders, notes, messages. So turn all of these on, and we're going to back up only the information within these apps, which are the important ones, but not the trash data that we don't use and that actually make our iPhone slow. So now with that covered, let me show you how to format or restore your iPhone. So let's go to Settings again, scroll down to General, then scroll all the way down to Reset, and then at the top, Erase all content and settings, the second option. It's gonna have this pop-up because I have documents being uploaded to iCloud, but I don't care, so I'm gonna erase now. Now let me put my passcode. Now it's gonna ask me if I want to erase my iPhone because this will delete all media and data and reset all settings, and that's what we want to do. So erase iPhone, and it's just double checking erase iPhone again. Now it's asking for my Apple ID. So then erase. Now we're seeing the Apple logo with the status bar going really fast at the bottom, but this is gonna go 2 or 3 times, so it takes a little bit of time, but not much than a couple minutes. Okay, so I'll be back when it finishes. Okay, so my iPhone has turned on and it is presenting me with that hello screen, the setup screen that you get when you open your iPhone out of the box for the first time. If you're selling this or giving it away to somebody, you just give it like that. Okay, it is blank, there's zero information here, don't worry about it. But if you're trying to make it faster, the second option I mentioned, just follow the setup, set it up. Don't recover from any backup, just put your Apple ID and you're gonna recover all of that key data from iCloud that I just showed you how to get. Okay, so that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys on Thursday. Bye bye.